Welcome to our tutorial on setting up your Oanda Live account on Metatrader 4. Let's dive into the essentials. First, head to the Oanda website. Click on Open an account to start your journey. Follow the prompts to fill in your details. Next, download and install Metatrader 4. You can find the download link on the Oanda homepage or the Metatrader site. After installation, open Metatrader 4 and set up your preferences. This will include choosing your time zone and applicable settings. Now, let's link your Oanda account. Go to the Tools menu and select Options. Here, you can enter your Oanda login credentials. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the Metatrader 4 interface. Notice the charting tools and how to manage your trades. It's time to place your first trade. Click on New Order, set your parameters, and confirm your trade. To manage your account effectively, visit the Accounts section. Here, you can deposit funds, withdraw, and check your statements. Encountering issues? Check the FAQ section on both Oanda's and Metatrader's websites for support with common problems. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this guide helps you confidently navigate setting up your Oanda account on Metatrader 4. For more resources, check the links below.